Remember, on the back page, the last page, I have examples of bad goals, why are they bad, and examples of how to reframe those bad goals into good goals, and whether that be SMART, in the SMART framework, or in the stretch framework, or VIMPS framework. I know VIMPS isn't a word, but I made it up because that's a stretch anyway. But that is how I created these bad versus good goals. So an example of a bad goal again would be, I want world peace. Well, that's like the worst goal because it's not specific. How do you know what world peace is? Because it could be different for everyone. It's not measurable. There's absolutely no way to measure world peace. It may be aligned if world peace is your full intention, but there's so little that you can impact with world peace that it really can't be aligned because you have so little control over it. And it is not realistic. You have to get a whole 7 billion people on the same page, and you can't barely get 3 people in the room on the same page. So realistic, no, nor is it time-based. So for all you beauty pageant question answerers, oh no, not beauty pageant, scholarship program, question answerers, I want world peace is not a good goal. But what a good goal could be for you is, I will say, bring more peace into my family relationships by having a family fun night every week. Okay, so now that's specific, a family fun night, measurable every week. Is it aligned? Well, bringing peace into your family life is aligned with something that you absolutely may want and can control. Is it realistic? Sure, you can have family fun night every week, and it's time-based because we're talking about every week. So there you go. That's just a real live example off the top of my head around good versus bad goals, but you have a whole list of them here that you can pull from and give you some guidance. So I hope that you really enjoyed this demonstration, and I hope you stay tuned because as a matter of fact, there is an e-course that I will be launching in February sometime, and it is all about achieving all of your goals. So the e-course is all about being what I call a goal miner. What that is someone who really digs in, really looks for the gold of achieving their goal. And the e-course is the Goal Miner e-course, and it will be available on my site. You can sign up to get notified when the open enrollment period is, and you can look down below the page and see more information about it there. So in the meantime, I hope this was helpful. I hope you loved setting your goals in a very clear and intentional way so that it sets you up for success all year long. Bye.